Welcome to Building 3 of the National Museum of the United States Air Force. If you haven't watched Building 2 yet, please do. It covers the history leading up to this modern era of flight. Building 3, this gallery, known as the Eugene W. Kettering Cold War Gallery, showcases the evolution of air power from the end of World War II through the Cold War, the Korean and Vietnam Wars, and the dawn of the space age. Here, you'll encounter aircraft and artifacts that played pivotal roles in shaping modern military aviation. Let's step inside Building 3 and see the incredible aircraft and exhibits waiting for us. The Cold War was a period of geopolitical tension between the Soviet Union and the United States, spanning from the late 1940s to the early 1990s. This era was characterized by the threat of nuclear warfare, espionage, and the race for technological supremacy. The U.S. Air Force developed advanced aircraft and missile systems to maintain a strategic edge, emphasizing deterrence and rapid response capabilities. Strategic bombers were central to the U.S. Air Force's deterrence strategy during the Cold War. These aircraft were designed to deliver nuclear payloads to adversary targets and could operate at long ranges. Convair, Peacemaker. The B-36 was the world's first six-engine intercontinental bomber capable of carrying nuclear weapons from the continental U.S. to targets in the Soviet Union. Its massive wingspan and range made it a formidable deterrent. Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. Entering service in the 1950s, the B-52 became the backbone of the U.S. strategic bomber fleet. Its ability to carry a wide array of weapons and its adaptability ensured its role in Cold War deterrence. Rockwell B-1 Lancer. Introduced in the 1980s, the B-1 Lancer combined the high speed of a bomber with the low-level penetration capabilities of a fighter. Its variable sweep wing design allowed for optimal performance at various speeds and altitudes. Fighter aircraft played a crucial role in maintaining air superiority and conducting tactical operations during the Cold War. McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II, a versatile aircraft used by both the U.S. Navy and Air Force, the F-4 Phantom II was capable of performing a variety of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. Entering service in the 1970s, the F-15 Eagle was designed to gain and maintain air superiority in aerial combat. Its advanced avionics and weaponry made it a formidable adversary. General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon. Known for its agility and cost-effectiveness, the F-16 became a multi-role aircraft capable of performing air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Reconnaissance aircraft were vital for intelligence gathering and surveillance during the Cold War. Lockheed U-2. The U-2 was a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft capable of flying at altitudes above 70,000 feet, allowing it to gather intelligence over enemy territory without detection. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The SR-71 was a strategic reconnaissance aircraft that could fly at speeds over Mach 3, making it nearly impossible for enemy defenses to intercept. Missile systems became the cornerstone of nuclear deterrence during the Cold War. Minuteman ICBM. The Minuteman intercontinental ballistic missile was designed to deliver nuclear warheads to targets across the globe. Its land-based silo system allowed for rapid launch capabilities. Titan II ICBM. The Titan II was the largest liquid-fueled ICBM ever deployed by the U.S. It had a higher payload capacity and range compared to earlier models. Jupiter and Thor IRBMs. These intermediate-range ballistic missiles were deployed in Europe and were capable of reaching Soviet targets, serving as a counterbalance to Soviet missile deployments. The Korean War 1950–1953 was the first major conflict of the Cold War, involving direct military action between communist and non-communist forces. F-86 Sabre. The F-86 Sabre was a transonic jet fighter that played a significant role in the Korean War, engaging in dogfights with the Soviet-built MiG-15. B-29 Superfortress. The B-29 was used for strategic bombing missions during the Korean War, delivering both conventional and nuclear payloads. C-119 Flying Boxcar. The C-119 was a transport aircraft used for airlift operations, including troop and supply drops during the Korean War. The Vietnam War, 1955–1975, was a prolonged conflict that tested U.S. military strategies and capabilities. F-4 Phantom II. The F-4 Phantom II was extensively used during the Vietnam War for air superiority and ground attack missions. A-1 Skyraider. The A-1 Skyraider was a propeller-driven attack aircraft known for its durability and effectiveness in close air support roles. C-130 Hercules. The C-130 Hercules was a versatile transport aircraft used for a variety of missions, including troop deployments and supply drops during the Vietnam War. The space race was a period of intense competition between the U.S. and the Soviet Union to achieve significant milestones in space exploration. X-15 rocket plane. The X-15 was a rocket-powered aircraft that set several speed and altitude records, contributing to the development of spaceflight technologies. Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker. While primarily a refueling aircraft, the KC-135 played a crucial role in supporting space missions by refueling aircraft and spacecraft during operations. The Cold War era left a lasting impact on military aviation and global geopolitics. Stealth technology. The development of stealth technology, exemplified by aircraft like the F-117 Nighthawk, revolutionized aerial combat by reducing aircraft visibility to radar. Nuclear deterrence. The concept of mutually assured destruction (MAD) shaped international relations and defense strategies during the Cold War. Space exploration. The advancements in space technology during the Cold War laid the foundation for future space exploration endeavors. The missile gallery, housed in a towering 140-foot structure designed to resemble a missile silo. This exhibit showcases the evolution of the United States strategic missile systems during the Cold War era. At the heart of the gallery stands the Minuteman III, a testament to the nation's commitment to nuclear deterrence. Introduced in the 1970s, this intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, was capable of delivering a nuclear payload across vast distances, ensuring a rapid response capability. Adjacent to the Minuteman III is the Titan II, a larger and more powerful ICBM that played a pivotal role in the nation's defense strategy during the Cold War. Its deployment marked a significant advancement in missile technology and strategic military planning. The gallery also features the Jupiter and Thor intermediate-range ballistic missiles, IRBMs, which were among the first to be stationed in Europe, serving as a direct counter to Soviet missile threats during the early years of the Cold War. A highlight of the exhibit is the Minuteman II Missile Procedures Trainer, a full-scale replica of a launch control center used by missile crews during the Cold War. This simulator provides visitors with an immersive experience of the protocols and responsibilities involved in maintaining nuclear readiness. As you explore this gallery, reflect on the technological advancements and the strategic decisions that shaped the course of history during a period defined by the constant threat of nuclear conflict. Thank you for exploring Building 3 of the National Museum of the United States Air Force. The artifacts and aircraft you've seen today represent the ingenuity, determination, and courage of those who served during the Cold War, the Korean and Vietnam Wars, and the space race. Their legacy continues to inspire and inform the future of air and space power.